For precision flying, she hooks her wings together like Velcro and targets her prey from the air. The wasp injects venom into the caterpillar, keeping it alive but completely paralyzed.
Well, you don't want dinner wandering away, do you?
She drags the dead-weight dinner back to her underground nest, where her eggs are incubating, glued onto previously incapacitated prey. This wasp can carry caterpillars.
Isn't she a good mommy? She goes out and gets really nice big meals for her kids.
Yeah.
Her forelegs are like rakes, uncovering the entrance to her nest.
Babe,
Yeah.
look.
With strong jaws, she pulls the plug, and the caterpillar is dragged into the darkness.
What? Looks like a Q-tip.
Definitely a Q-tip you don't want to stick in your ear.
Fresh in this tube for weeks. And when the baby wasps are born, the caterpillar will be eaten alive.
Here, put a nice little pebble here. Close the door.
She covers her tracks. Only she will know where to find it again. While this wasp buries her victims underground, others go one step further to ensure a fresh meal for their offspring. This parasitoid wasp injects her eggs straight into the caterpillar.
Lazy bitch, isn't she?
She lays up to 100 eggs in one shot, deep into the caterpillar's body. The soft insides of the caterpillar incubate the eggs, and once they hatch, the larvae will eat their way out.
Well, this is obviously the crack whore of the wasp. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And appetite, forcing it to consume 1.5 times more food than it normally would, until it's time to leave the host.
In space, nobody can hear you scream.
They eat their way free. And
Look, John Hurt.
Into adulthood. But sadly, the mutilated caterpillar will never get to complete its own metamorphosis. The praying mantid is an expert huntsman.
No kidding. Praying mantid.
It combines incredible speed with a set of deadly weapons. Its front legs are spring-loaded and lined with hooks and spikes, used to impale its prey.
See what that does for the color.
But the secret to the marksman's hunting success.
Oh yeah, that richens up the color here.
But also,
I can see the green now.
Sharp senses.
Some of it.
Two thin antennae pick up even the faintest scent of prey.
That thing's messing up on me.
Can turn
Oh, the claw.
Yeah, I had to kick it up to the right time this morning.
Second hand getting caught up.
No, the power hand was an hour behind.
Its two larger eyes are made up of 10,000.
When I pushed the hour hand up a little, the other hand went flying around.
Yeah. Frankly, I think I'd remove the second hand. We don't need it.
It's what's holding on the other two hands.
Oh, it's snip it so we just got the hub.
It's not hurting anything.
Okay, because I had to straighten it out. I was getting hung up on.
It hasn't been hung up since.
These alien-like eyes don't have
Let's face it.
It's losing time.
Let's face it, it's an old mechanism.
Well, that was
The
not that
mantid isn't
old.
just looking at you, it sees everything.
let's see. When did you send me that clock, Carl?
And its senses are sharp.
I was living where when I got it.
Let's face it, this whole
I
house
was living
is.
on Woodland when I got it.
Let's face it, this whole house is an orologist nightmare. None of the clocks agree as to what time it is.
That would keep a good time. On me, it was a good matter.
It's only 6 minutes late,
With incredible
according
strength,
to the computer here.
praying mantis
Yeah,
tears
well,
its
according
prey
to my
apart.
phone, it was right on.
Oh, that fart moan of yours?
Yeah, which is set by the television.
The one that you have to go up on the top of the hill to get the signal. You can't call from the house.
Yeah, that don't stop the
After
clock
consuming
from
every
working,
last
right?
bit, he cleans up before
Amazingly, I think it does because those are atomic clock,
Mine-
internet connected.
Mine and hers are exact.
The praying mantis is not the
Aren't they
only
both
killer
throwaway
of the
phones that,
No, hers is a track phone.
like I said, throw?
Hey, watch. Look at that thing. What the hell are you?
While it may
Proboscis
look
bug.
funny, the assassin bug
Ah!
is more horror story than comedy.
Assassin bug.
The bug has the ability to literally liquefy its prey.
Stab and suck.
Its red color is not just for show, it's a warning to other predators.
Mess with me!
Please.
Go ahead!
Bit by day.
I'll eat your asshole!
Out its next
Assassin
and
bug.
its needle-like beak can inflict a painful sting.
Oh, that one's coming out good here.